Всем привет! Today we are going to master one of the most unusual Russian vowels, the vowel U. You know that this sound doesn't exist in many other languages, and there is another important fact that no Russian word begins with U. You will only see it after consonants. It's also very important for meaning, because if you confuse "ı" with another vowel like "i" or "u", the whole word may change. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to pronounce "ı" correctly, and you will practice it with real Russian words. So the first thing is your tongue position. How does "ı" feel in the mouth? Your tongue is pulled back, not forward. Your lips are relaxed, not rounded. The sound is produced deep in the mouth. You can think is like E pulled back, or like U without lip rounding. Let's compare "ı" with "i" and "u", because learners often confuse "ı" with these two vowels. When you pronounce "i", your tongue is high and forward, and your lips are stretched. I. When you say "u", your tongue is back, lips are rounded like a small circle. U. When you say "ı", your tongue is back, your lips are relaxed. Let's see why "ı" is so important. Compare these words. Быть, to exist. Бить, to hit. Мышка, little mouse or computer mouse. Мишка, teddy bear. Лысый, bald. Лисий, foxes. Мыл, washed. Мил, kind, cute. Пыл, passion, energy. Пил, drank. Let's compare "ы" with "у". Бык, bull. Бук, a beech tree. Мы, we. Му, a moo, the cow sound. Let's see some techniques, some practical tricks. Say "и", keep lips stretched, "и", and then pull your tongue backward. "И", "и", from "у". Say "у", keep your tongue back, but then relax your lips. "У", Another trick, make an angry face, then push your lower jaw forward, smiling a bit. Your tongue will move back. Another trick, place a straw or a pencil between your teeth. Don't touch it with your tongue, and your tongue will automatically move backward, and it will be perfect for "ı". Another trick, if you lift something heavy, you go or if someone pokes your stomach, that's very close to Russian sound. At the beginning, your may sound exaggerated. That's okay. With practice, it will sound more natural. Now let's practice. Repeat these syllables after me. Сы, зы, ты, лы, мы. Repeat these words. Сын, the son. Сыр, cheese. Рыба, fish. Быстро, quickly. Язык, language. Kyrgyzstan, Kyrgyzstan. You can repeat these words again and again, slowly, and then try faster. And don't forget, Russian words never begin with "ы".